Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the latest video on the Scan Tool Network. In this video it's a short demonstration of the LAUNCH CRP129E kit. We're in a Mini right now and we have an airbag light showing on the dashboard. So we have this tool plugged into the diagnostic port, and we'll get diagnosing this and hopefully resetting that fault. The tool itself is available just by clicking the link directly below this video. Now I would seriously recommend using the links because this kit is subject to fakes and clones on the market. There are fakes and clones that can cause damage to your vehicle, so if you are looking to get one of these tools, you may as well make sure you're going to get the genuine product which won't cause any damage to your vehicle. Okay, so I'm going to click on to, it's a touchscreen system, and I'm going to go to diagnose. Generally this tool will allow you to diagnose and reset the main systems like engines, airbags, ABS and transmission of your vehicle. So you can select your vehicle if you want, or you can go to auto detect. I'm going to just go to and select our manufacturer, which is Mini. Okay. And then we can automatically search for the vehicle, which is sometimes a quick way of doing it. The other way would be to manually select your exact vehicle and your exact sort of engine options, but the automatic option should be easy. Click no, so it's found the VIN number, click on to next, let's click OK. Quick warning message. It recommends that you turn the ignition on and off. I don't know why it does that, because it's already got connections with the vehicle. So we then have two options here, a health report and a system scan. So I think the best thing to do is click on to system scan. Now when you press this, I have noticed that it does take about 10 seconds for anything to happen. So you can mistake it for pressing the button and then absolutely nothing happening and thinking that you need to press it again and again. You don't. So I pressed it once there, and you'll see in a second that the screen will then change. Or at least it should. Don't make a fool out of me. Well, it has made a fool out of me. So now I'll press it again. Shall I press it again? Go on, and there we go. Pressed it again. This is not turning into a very good demonstration, because every other time I've done that, it has activated the next screen generally about 10 or 15 seconds after I've actually pressed the system scan. So I don't know why it's not doing anything right now. It is connected to the vehicle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press the other one, which is health report, instead, to see if that makes any difference. Let's move that there. There we go. It's now searching for the systems, and it's found the main systems. So what we can do is we can click on to the airbag system, and then it's found the airbag information. We click on to read fault code. So it's found two faults here, 93097C, 93097C4, and what I love about this is the fact that you can click on the code search, and if you've got a valid Wi-Fi connection, then it will just take you to Google, which will show you searches of this particular airbag fault code, and will allow you to, basically find what other people have said about the fault. We had a loose connection underneath the driver's seat. We've clipped that back together. Obviously that alone is not enough to turn off the airbag light, so we just need to use this tool to click on clear fault code. And you can see there straight away the airbag light has gone, and we've got clear fault code completed on screen. So there we go. A little bit of a hiccup there with the button where I was asking us to do a scan. Not sure why it's done that, but I've used it many times before and it's been fine. I just must have just been on a little vacation there. But anyway, there we go. As I say, I'm going to put the links to this kit in the description below this video, and that will ensure that you get a genuine and official product, because there are fakes and clones out there. So I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.